Subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all notification.
Hello students, in the previous video we started our new chapter which is how do organism reproduce, and we discussed about the types of reproduction like sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. इन दोनों ही तरीके के रिप्रोडक्शन के बारे में हम पढ़ चुके हैं कि एक्चुअल में क्या होता है एंड व्हाट आर द मेन डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन बोथ दीस टाइप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन, ये हम कर चुके हैं. Then I told you that asexual reproduction is happened by different ways like binary fission, or we can say the fission, pigmentation, spore formation, regeneration, vegetative propagation, budding, etc. These are the types of asexual reproduction. And now today we will discuss these types of asexual reproduction in details. We are starting with the first type of asexual reproduction, that was the fission. तो हम शुरू करते हैं fission से. Fission, that is a type of asexual reproduction. Fission. पहले तो सिंपल हम नाम के बारे में बात करते हैं. Fission. Fission means splitting, टूटना. किसी भी चीज का टूटना, it's known as fission. So this fission is the type of asexual reproduction in which the parent body splits or divides into the two daughter organism, two or more than two. We can include. So if we write the definition of fission, then we can say this is the type of asexual reproduction in which the organism splits into two or more than two organism. Two or more than two organism. This type of reproduction or this type of asexual reproduction is known as fission. तो सिंपल सी बात है, पेरेंट बॉडी डिवाइड हो रही है, पेरेंट बॉडी ही डिवाइड होकर न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म, न्यू टोटल सेल्स फॉर्म कर रही है. इस रिप्रोडक्शन को हम बोलेंगे fission. This fission is again divided into the two types. जैसे कि यहाँ डेफिनेशन हमने स्पेशली लिखा है, then parent body is divided into two or more than two types. इस बेसिस पे ही fission को हम further divide करते हैं into the two types. So fission could be of two types. Number one, that is the binary fission. And number two is a multiple fission. Multiple fission. First, let's see fission actually present किस तरीके के organisms के अंदर होता है जहाँ parent body divide हो रही है. This type of reproduction is found into the unicellular organism. So this is the important thing which you have to keep remember, that it's found only in unicellular organism. Unicellular organism होंगे means जिनके अंदर सिर्फ एक ही cell है, one parent cell है, and that cell is dividing further to form the offsprings. So this is found only in the unicellular organism. We can take the example also. Example of these unicellular organisms are the bacteria, amoeba, paramecium. These are some example of unicellular organism in which we can see reproduction by the fission method. Now let's come on to the type of fission. As we have written, there are the two types of fission, that is binary fission and multiple fission. Now, binary fission. Bi means two. When the parent body divides into the two daughter cells, then this type of fission is known as binary fission. So what we can say, that two parent body divide into two offsprings. तो बाइनरी फिजन है, तो उस फिजन को जिसके अंदर टू डॉटर सेल्स फॉर्म हो रही है, टू ऑफस्प्रिंग्स फॉर्म हो रहे हैं, उस फिजन को हम बोलेंगे बाइनरी फिजन. एंड मल्टीपल, मल्टी मींस many. When the more than two or many organisms are formed, then we can call it multiple fission. Okay, so these are the basic difference between binary fission and multiple fission. So let's start with the binary fission. Binary fission जो होता है वो किन-किन ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर होता है, इसे हम थोड़ा डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं with some interesting examples. Binary fission, many organisms can divide by binary fission like bacteria, amoeba, paramecium, leishmania, etc. These are the organisms which can divide by the binary fission. Let's take an example. If we discuss about the example of amoeba. Amoeba, which is an unicellular organism and it's an aquatic organism which remains in the water and it has flexible cell membrane. तो अगर हम अमीबा की बात करें जिसकी flexible cell membrane होती है and it has one nucleus and this part of cell is known as cytoplasm. This is the structure of amoeba. This cell membrane, which is very flexible. This is nucleus of the amoeba, and this one is the cytoplasm. So let's see how the binary fission takes place in the amoeba. When amoeba is young, it needs food, it takes food, and after the time, it grows, increase its size. So time के साथ amoeba अपना size increase करता है. When the amoeba get mature and time comes to reproduce, amoeba का time आएगा जब reproduction का mature होने के बाद, at that time the nucleus of this amoeba, firstly that nucleus of amoeba it's become big and it's divide into the two parts. जो nucleus होगा वो बड़ा हो जाता है. अगर हम nucleus को इस तरीके से दिखाएं, this is the nucleus. This nucleus become big, increase into the size and with the size of the cell, and further it's divided into the two parts. ये nucleus two parts में divide हो जाता है, and like this way we can show it now. That one part come here, एक nucleus का part यहाँ आता है, and another one will come here. And it also takes some amount of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm means nucleus के around present रहेगा. And after that, this is about the nuclear division. Nucleus divide होता है. After that, this cell of the amoeba, or we can say that plasma, this membrane, cell membrane of amoeba is also gets come inside to divide this parent amoeba into the two daughter cells. So overall, after this nuclear division, when the cytoplasm divides, we get this kind of structure in which we get two amoeba with both of their nucleus and with their cytoplasm. दोनों में ही अपना न्यूक्लियस होगा and they have also their cytoplasm. The size of this amoeba again increases its due growth by taking food, and when these daughter amoebas get mature, then they also divide like their parent amoeba. So this is the way of the binary fission, way of the reproduction which takes place into the amoeba. Amoeba में reproduction कैसे हो रहा है? पहले cell mature होगी, cell grow करती है, and when it become ready for the division, for the fission, then the size of the nucleus increase and it divide into the two parts, and some amount of cytoplasm is also get divided, and finally two offsprings are formed, and these offsprings are known as daughter. ये बात हमने पहले भी कही है, जो offsprings form होते हैं उन्हें daughter cells या offspring कह सकते हैं. So these are the daughter amoeba. So this type of fission is found into the amoeba. ये amoeba के अंदर मिलने वाला reproduction है. Similarly, in same way, the paramecium is the another example which also divide by the same type of method by the binary fission. And one more example we can discuss here, that is leishmania. This is the microorganism. It's a pathogenic microorganism which causes disease, that is black fever. You already studied about leishmania in your previous class. This leishmania also divided by the binary fission. Let's see that this leishmania has such kind of structure. इस तरीके की structure होती है, and it has flagella at its one end. एक end पे flagella present रहती है, and it's divided in such a way that यहाँ पे जो division होता है वो इस तरीके से होता है, vertically division होता है. That parent body divide into the two parts. इस तरीके से parent body जो है two parts में divide हो जाएगी. एक organism है, it divide vertically and it forms two daughter cells. So this is again a binary fission in which the parent organisms is divided into the two daughter organism or two daughter cells. It's only found into the unicellular organism. Okay, one thing you need to know that after this fission method, there is no existence of the parent. Parent का कोई existence नहीं है. Parent just form. We can say that the growth or life of the parent ceases. वहीं cease हो गई है. It's converted now into the daughter cells. Parent का कोई existence नहीं रहा. ना तो death हुई, ना ही survival हुआ. तो इसलिए इसे हम immortal भी बोलते हैं. That in this type of fission or in this type of reproduction, these parents remain immortal. They converted into the daughter cells or daughter new structures. So this is the binary fission. Now let's discuss about the another type of fission, that is multiple fission. अब हम बात करते हैं multiple fission is a type of asexual reproduction in which parent body divide into the more than two daughter cells. एक ही parent body से बहुत सारे daughter cells अगर form हो रही है, then this type of fission is known as multiple fission. The main example of this type of fission we can take the example of Plasmodium. Plasmodium, which is a parasite. Plasmodium. Plasmodium which causes malaria. ये आपको पता है Plasmodium जो malaria cause करता है, and it is transmitted by female Anopheles mosquito. In this multiple fission, this is a type of reproduction which occurs only in the unfavorable condition. Unfavorable कंडीशन के अंदर होने वाला रिप्रोडक्शन होता है। ये जब कंडीशंस कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो ऑर्गेनिज्म के लिए, किसी भी तरीके का एनवायरमेंटल स्ट्रेस से, किसी भी तरीके से अनफेवरेबल कंडीशंस जो प्रेजेंट रहती है, एट दैट टाइम द ऑर्गेनिजम्स रिप्रोड्यूस बाय द मल्टीपल fission. Let's see what happens. We are taking the example of Plasmodium. Plasmodium again, which is an organism, it's a single cell. ये सेल है प्लाज्मोडियम की, and in the cell of the plasmodium it has its nucleus. यहाँ इसमें nucleus है, and with nucleus it has its cytoplasm also. Nucleus और cytoplasm present है. This is the cell of plasmodium. During unfavorable condition, this plasmodium forms a hard cover outside this cell. यहाँ पे plasmodium अपनी बॉडी के बाहर, अपनी सेल के बाहर एक hard cover form करता है, and this hard covering that present outside the cell, or this is also known as protective coat. This protective cover or protective coat that form outside the cell, it's known as cyst. So we can say during unfavorable condition the plasmodium it forms cyst around its cells. अब बाहर की तरफ एक hard cover बन गया है, तो यहाँ पे binary fission या ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता कि cell two parts में divide हो. Inside this cells, inside this cyst, this nucleus is divided. इस cyst के अंदर ही nucleus divide होता रहता है. So we can draw it that this cyst is present outside, cyst बाहर की तरफ present है, and inside this cyst, this nucleus is dividing into the many parts. ये nucleus पहले two parts में divide होगा. After that, these two parts further divide into the another two parts, and these parts are again divide into the another two parts. So overall, we can say that nucleus will divide into the many daughter nuclei. These are the some daughter nuclei which form inside the cyst. And these daughter nuclei they contain some amount of cytoplasm around them. इनके आसपास कुछ amount में cytoplasm इकट्ठा होता रहता है, and they form the daughter nuclei. In this way, they form the daughter nuclei. They contain some amount of cytoplasm and covered by the membrane. Membrane covered हो जाएंगे, and now they are known as daughter nuclei, daughter cells. Daughter nuclei बने थे nucleus के divide होने के बाद, when they included cytoplasm and they form a cover around them, then they known as daughter cells. These are formed daughter cells which contain nucleus and their cytoplasm. In this way, it divides inside this cyst, and when the favorable conditions comes and this cyst get break up, ये cyst जो है ये break up हो जाती है, cyst break हो जाएगी, cyst टूट जाएगी, and after the breaking of this cyst, these nuclei, these daughter nuclei or daughter cells which are formed inside this cyst, they are released outside. इन्हें बाहर की तरफ release कर दिया जाता है. So in this way, the plasmodium can form thousands of daughter cells at one time. इस तरीके से बहुत सारी cells जो है वो बनेंगी, and all these daughter cells are released outside when the conditions becomes normal, or we can say favorable condition जब आती है उस time पे cyst की breaking होगी and all these daughter cells are released out. So this is the multiple fission in which the organisms are forming many daughter cells by the fission method. तो fission हुआ है क्योंकि nucleus divide हो रहा है, and nucleus dividing repeatedly, बार-बार nucleus में division हुए जा रहा है, and by the repeated division of the nucleus, many daughter nuclei are formed. These nuclei then contain cytoplasm and form a cell. Then we call it daughter cells, and all these daughter cells released into the environment when the conditions become normal. So this is about the fission, which have two types, binary fission and multiple fission. And this type of reproduction, asexual reproduction, only take place into the unicellular organism. So that's all about the fission method. Now we will discuss the next topic, that is budding.